Naintindihan niyo ba? Ganun din talaga. Pag nag-aral, nakakaintindi talaga. Pero mga kaibigan, ano ba yung kwento ko? Ano ba yun? Oo. Ano ba yun? Nakalimutan ko. Kasi nasisira ako sa English eh. Sige, season pala yung Justice. Nagbiro ako, I just want to know kung ang mga pangit may distance sa court. If in case we have a case, if the judges will help us, to survive. So I make jokes to him. I say, Justice season, I really, not so bad happened to me last night in Lunita, but it's not true. Of course, it's not true. Who will be the nerves to do that to me? Justice, yeah. Then the justice looked at me and said, what?